In this part, we're going to draw the line using mouse to link between the car and its park. Let's create some more scripts for this purpose. The first script, as its name implied, is responsible for raycasting only, and returning hit informations to other scripts. It's a normal script, and it doesn't inherit from mono behavior. This struct is used to store hit infos by the raycast. Inside the class, we need to add a function that creates a ray from the mouse position, and returns infos if it hits something. In order to make this ray ignores all the layers, except our layer created early named interactable, we need to write it that way. Return the informations. That's all we need for this class. Now let's move to the other one. In this user input script, we will do all the operations that related to user interactions with the scene objects, like on mouse down, on mouse move, and on mouse up. A better way to do this is by events, so that other scripts can use this one easily and only by listening to these events. That's all we need for the scripts. We're going to use these events later to draw the line. Next, we need to add something to the line script. We've added this min points distance variable to avoid drawing high detailed line by setting minimum distance between line points. And we need to store a list of all the points of this line. And points count. To make all the points have the same distance from the ground, let's add a fixed Y position. And set its value as the Y position of the first point from the default points created earlier in the editor. We also need to add two functions. One to clear the line, and the other to initialize it. To add points to line, let's add a new function that takes point position. Reset the Y position of the new point. We need another function to get the last drawn point of the line. Check if there is at least 2 points, then make sure that the distance between the last point and the new one is greater than the minimum distance. If not, then never draw the point. Else, add the new point to the list. Increment the points count. And update the line renderer. I guess this part is long enough, so we're going to continue in the next video. Cheers.